Today we are going to discuss the symbols and abbreviations. Symbols and abbreviations. Abbreviations in mathematics. मैथमेटिक्स के अंदर हमारे पास जो सिंबल्स और एब्रीवेशन है, ये हमारा आज का जो है वो टॉपिक है और इसके अंदर हमने कुछ बेसिक सिंबल्स और एब्रीवेशन को डिस्कस करना है. First of all, here is the abbreviation or the symbol theta, the basic, the theta. Theta, it means that it has meaning angle. Theta, that is the theta. Okay, that is theta. Now the next symbol, that one you can what name do you assign that? That is omega. We say it omega. That is the sign of omega. Next symbol, the three dots. What does that means? What does that means? That is the sign of since. It means that since or because. Since or because. The next sign is that pi. The sign of pi, you can see it as in the shape of an R, and we say it pi. That is the sign of pi. Now scientific notation, that is the sign for PD. What is that? That is the sign of point. The sign of point. That is the sign of point. Now that is the common sign, one of the common sign, that it means negative. A common sign, it means negative. The most common of all is equal to. The most common of all equal to. If you move further and see more, you will see that the sign for that thing, it means therefore. It means therefore. Don't confuse with these two signs. These two signs, these are different from each other. These are different from it. These are different from each other. These are different from each other. These two signs are different. Don't confuse with these two signs. Now discussing further, the next one, I E. It means that I E. I E. It means that is. It means that that is. It means that is. I.e. it means that that is. Now moving further, and a very common and very simple, it the arrow, that one implies that. It means that implies that. Now further, that is the simple sign of degree. That is the sign of degree. And further, uh, minute or foot, that is the minute or foot, and that is the second or inch, that is the sign of second or inch, that is minute और फुट, मिनट या फिर आप इसको फुट कह सकते हैं, दैट इज द सेकेंड, और या फिर आप इसको इंच भी कह सकते हैं, एक ही बात है, सेकेंड या इंच। नेक्स्ट साइन इज द साइन ऑफ नियरली इक्वल टू, या जिसको हम कहते हैं कि almost equal to, that is the sign of nearly equals to, nearly equals to या approximate, approximate, the sign of approximation. We can also say it the sign of minute or foot, minute or foot, we can say it minute or foot, that is the sign of approximate, we can say it approximation. Next sign is that uh, matching to it but don't confuse with it, that is incongruent to, incongruent to, incongruent to, incongruent to. The next sign is the sign of correspondence, the next sign is the sign of correspondence, sign is the correspondence, correspondence. And these are some simple and the basic signs in the mathematics. In the second part we will discuss some remaining symbols and abbreviation in the second part.